because there are so many collections within the Rinfit brand. There's literally something for everyone. Like, I was going through these and I was like, each one of these is sort of reminiscent of like each of my like friends' styles and what their engagement bands / rings might look like. And so that's what made me feel confident that there is something in here for everybody. And again, these can be used as an alternative to your standard wedding ring, because again, you know, for those who don't know, like, some people do not want your platinum, gold, silver, rose gold engagement ring / band, okay, wedding ring / band. It's just not their thing, and more people are opting to alternatives for that, okay? So you can go for something like this as your actual engagement ring, an actual wedding band. I get so mixed up with those two words. Or you can use these as your sort of like dummy ring, per se, if you're traveling, at the pool, at the beach, if you're somewhere where you don't want to have super expensive jewelry on. Again, like a traveling scenario where you want to leave your ring at home just where nothing can happen, things like that. So there's just so many uses for these silicone rings, these, you know, silicone wedding bands. I just think they're brilliant, and I'm so excited to share this concept with you guys. I just love stuff like this. And honestly, I have been a silicone ring wearer for a long time. So again, I'm looking at the ones like this, okay, that can be worn just every day, not necessarily as a replacement for a wedding band or ring.